Okay, so what we're doing today is we're having a party for everyone that's helped us over the years to finish the villa. So it's a lot of fun. I got Ilya here, Giuseppe here, Luigi's here, and we're doing it at one of the small houses that we have for like storage work and so forth. Luigi, you good? Va bene?
Ciao, sì, tutto ok ragazzi, tutto ok. Now Joe.
Frigo.
Sì.
Okay, guys. It's pizza, it's potatoes. We haven't even like begun. Now they're hitting meat. We're not done yet. Hold on. Oh, scusi. Oh, Panoch, how you doing? Oh. Giuseppe. Buono, molto buono.
Oscar, buongiorno.
And then we're going back there. Scusi. Pizza oven. I mean, we pumped out about 100 pizzas. And then we're cooking meat. I'm telling you, it's tough. I'm doing this for you guys.